Guys, I just got a package from Eat Good Jamaica and I'm so happy because I love this ramen, this Korean brand of ramen. I've never tried these and I'm gonna open it and look at the other stuff that they sent. But like, I love this brand, so I'm so happy because when I went to the supermarket the other day, they didn't have any, like they ran out. So I'm excited, I'm happy. And the person that delivered my package watches my channel, which I thought was so cute. Thank you guys for the package. By the way, these are very spicy, so if you can't eat spicy food, these are not for you. But these are really spicy, especially this one. Like, this one is the spiciest one, I think. It's so hot, like it's really hot. I haven't tried this, so I'll try this one. I've never tried this spicy ramen before, but I'll try this one. This one shouldn't be as spicy as these, but anyone that you see that has buldak on it, those are hella spicy. These are like next level spicy. Lost Files. Good morning. Came to watch F1 at the Rainbow Shots Records. It's been such a cute little Sunday. I need to go on here my vlog though. But I need to come here and watch Formula 1 more often. I enjoyed it, it was fun. And I need more friends that are into Formula 1 because I kind of came here by myself, but it was fun. And I mean, I met people that are in with the same interests as me, obviously. So it was okay. You know, it was fine. Me by myself, but still. I had fun. Hello. mom just got here. She's picking me up. Time to find her car. She said she parked at Epicon. So let's see where at Epicon she parked. I think I see her, people. I think this is her. Yes. Hey y'all. So I was saying in the bathroom, but I don't think the quality was that good, so I'm gonna say it again. I came to Tracks and Records to watch Formula One. They had a viewing party, and Monster Energy had like a viewing party thing. They had one. They had one last season for like 2 races. I can't remember, but I never made it because I didn't have company. So I didn't end up going, and of course the races are on Sunday, so for me to leave my house on a Sunday and not have company, I thought was just like, you know, I probably shouldn't. But I decided that I was going to come to this one because I saw them promoting it for like a week now, and I was like, okay, I'm going to go to this one, I'm not going to miss it, because I saw them post pictures last time. I was like, okay, you know. So I went and I liked it. They have a next viewing on March 19th, so I think I want to come to that one as well. It's just nice to have like be in a space where it's like people with the same interests as you, obviously. Kind of like when people go and watch football. You know, I'm not like a big football fan, but you know what I mean? Like having somewhere where you can go to watch the race on a big screen with like-minded people and just eat and chill and whatever. It's nice. Because usually I'm watching Formula One in my room on my TV by myself. You know what I mean? So I didn't mind it at all. It was a fun morning. I got there late. I got there like 10:30. The race started from 10 o'clock, but it wasn't so bad. But yeah, I think I'll be at the next one. So but I'm about to pick up a package from Anika's house for Ollie Bean. He got a package. He's such an influencer. Oh my god, Ollie. Ollie's an influencer.
Scammer.
What do you mean he's a scammer? Why would you call Ollie a scammer? You bought Patsy? Where you bought Patsy? Oh, you asked him. Oh, so you did go to Boulevard. Okay. What time was his bus? 1 o'clock?
1:30.
Oh, 1:30. Okay. Yeah, so Ollie Bean has gotten his first package as an influencer cat. I need to post more on his page, to be honest. Follow Ollie, guys, on Instagram, okay?
I don't know how they get to name it.
Ollie with an O, O-L-L-I-E.
Get out of the house.
When this morning?
When I ready to leave, I say Ollie come and cry and I come in back. And I'm like, how long him outside?
Unless he came out when I was leaving, but I put him back inside. I had put him back inside. Did you see the door locked when you were leaving?
When I came, I saw the door locked and I said, don't come on, I don't recall seeing him.
Unless he went back outside when I was locking the door and I didn't realize. Because he has this thing of like flying through the door and you don't really see him go through the door. And I was locking it when I was leaving. And he was trying to come in like, oh my god, they've locked me out.
I'm like, I wonder how long him outside.
Well, guess what? He's always trying to go outside. So him crying to come back inside because we lock him out is always funny to me. Because I'm just like, you wanted to go outside and you got locked out. You got locked out. Now you're crying? Stop biting to go outside all the time. Good morning, folks. It is what day is it? It's Wednesday. And I'm just saying hi because I'm about to run on the road to just run some cute little, not really errands to be honest, but we're gonna get food and collect something from my sister. and mom's gonna do a few little things. So I said, why not vlog it, because I need to complete the vlog anyways. And yeah, I've just been home every day, so there's nothing to film. I mean, I could do like a at-home vlog, but you know what I mean. But yeah, so I'm going on the road. Yeah, come with me.
50,000 people, 52,000 people. Showed up. Largest concert in the history of God, and it was really
I'm gonna go over to Wendy's. What do you want at Wendy's? Huh? Mommy, I buy the same thing all the time. Do you want a grilled chicken sandwich? That is it? That's your order? Fries? Okay, ma'am. Okay. Going to Wendy's. Mommy's getting water at the water store. And she's gonna go to the ATM. So I'm just gonna go to Wendy's in the meantime. Hopefully there is not full. It should be empty because there's not many cars over there. It's looking pretty empty to me.